Gold digger. Meaning, a woman who pursues relationships for money. He's dating a gold digger, she's only after his cash. Cougar. Meaning, an older woman who dates younger men. She's a cougar, dating guys 10 years younger. Sugar baby. A young woman financially supported by an older partner. She's living the life of a sugar baby with that wealthy man. Drama queen. A woman who overreacts or creates drama. Stop being such a drama queen, it's not a big deal. Sugar mama. Meaning, an older woman who financially supports a younger man. Example, he's dating a sugar mama who buys him everything. MILF. An attractive mother. She's a total MILF, even after 3 kids. Tomboy. A girl who prefers activities associated with boys. She's always been a bit of a tomboy, playing football with the guys. Mistress. A woman who is in a long-term affair with a married man. He kept his mistress a secret for years. Gal. An informal term for a girl or woman. She's such a smart gal, always coming up with creative ideas. Queen. A slang term showing admiration, referring to a strong or impressive woman. She handled that situation like a queen. Chick. Meaning, a casual term for a girl or woman. Example, she's a cool chick. Baddie. A confident, attractive woman, often on social media. She's a total baddie with her style. It girl. A woman who is admired for being stylish and influential. She's the it girl of the fashion scene. Queen bee. The most important or dominant woman in a group. She's the queen bee of the office. Side chick. A woman who is having an affair with a man who is already in a relationship. She knew she was his side chick, but she didn't care. Trophy wife. A young, attractive woman married to an older, wealthy man, often seen as a status symbol. He left his first wife for a younger trophy wife. Mama bear. A fiercely protective mother. She turned into a mama bear when someone insulted her child. Gamer girl. Meaning, a female who plays video games. Example, she's a gamer girl and streams on Twitch. Homegirl. A close female friend, often used in casual or informal settings. I've known her since high school, she's my homegirl. Supermom. A term used to describe a woman who manages to handle work, children, and other responsibilities exceptionally well. She's a supermom, balancing her career and family effortlessly. Fashionista. A woman who loves fashion and has a great sense of style. She's a real fashionista, always wearing the latest trends. Miss. Meaning, a polite way to address a young woman. Excuse me, miss, you dropped something. Bestie. A term for a woman's best friend. I'm going shopping with my bestie tomorrow. BFF. Best friend forever. Example, she's my BFF, we've been through everything together. Miss Tang. A confident, sometimes sassy woman, the term carries a lighthearted vibe and is generally used in a friendly context. Look at Miss Tang with her new car. Oh, Miss Tang thinks she's the queen of the party. Boo. A term of endearment for a girlfriend or close female partner. Example, my boo and I are going out tonight.